Hi everyone, it's me Melanie from Hammer Stardust, and today I have a really exciting and fun video because I'm doing an unboxing of Your Creative Studios box for, I believe this one was for October, so October 2022 I believe. And I'm just really excited because I love these boxes, and so I'm just gonna get right to it. Here's the little card that came with it. This says baking is my love language. So I'm thinking that this month's theme or October's theme was cooking or baking or kitchen. Isn't she super cute? Love her. So let's see. I am excited because I like these colors, and I do always keep this sticker, so, and put it in my journal later on. And let's just maybe I'll just take everything out and start showing you the goodies that come in here. Yeah, it seems to be like kitchen or baking theme, so let's put this up there and let's just let's see. Let's start with this is a masking tape. It says it's a washi tape, and I keep all these things and put them in my journal later, so. This is what it looks like. And I love it because it's sort of neutral, kind of, you know, it doesn't have any actual images. You can just say like this or like this. And I like the color. So I really love this one. And there's kind of like a floral or something on the, I don't know if you can actually see that. I don't even know if I'm on frame right now because I put the tripod thing more up, and I don't know if that was a good idea, but we will find out. So that was the washi tape. Maybe we'll leave it out here like that. I don't know if that's on frame either, but whatever. And we have this wood stamp. I'm excited. I love wood stamps, so, and this one is like a waiter with the thing. I don't know what that's called, but this thing. But I really like this one. I think it's so cute, and I love that they have these wood stamps. Let's see, this one I think is a wood stamp also, and I try to keep it intact. And it's like a cake, or like a, I was gonna say a pie, but now it looks more like a cake with a cherry on top. I love pie. I mean, I love cake. I don't like pie. I don't. And I like chocolate cake the most. I'm not like a sweets person, so like a desserts person, but chocolate always works. And we have this is like a paper pack, Your Creative Studio paper ephemera. This is really cool. It has different papers, so I'm thinking it has different kinds but of the same design. I Ah, look at the lady. So cute. And this is the designs they have. Oh, love this one. Love that. There's a floral, and I love this one too. And then I think they repeat, and this one is more, it's like thicker and has like a texture on top. So it's probably gonna be the same design but different. Yeah, I think this one's thicker. Let me see. Yeah, this one is like sticker paper. And then, you know, they repeat like that. And then you also have this vellum paper, which I love. It's beautiful. I love vellum. So I really like that there's different kinds of paper for the same designs. That way you're not afraid to use them. I'm definitely gonna use those vellum ones probably first. And I really want to see what this is because it's really thin. So it's maybe like a really thin paper, or oh, okay. So yeah, it's like a tissue paper kind of, or it's probably collage paper. I think it's probably the right word. But yeah, like a tissue paper. I love this. Love the sound of it. I love it. I can't wait to try this out in my journal and see what it looks like when you glue it down, like, because it seems to be a little bit see-through. So I think that's gonna be fun. And let's see these stamps. We got some more stamps here. I hope that I'm still in frame doing this right. So these are like the cling stamps. And I had done another video where I wondered how this works, if you're supposed to put them on an acrylic block. And this one, now it says that you're supposed to. So I don't know if these are like the same as the others, but these go on this, on the, yeah, like, oh, so cool, on the acrylic block. Of course, I mean, you can use them just like this. I use them like this plenty of times when I can't find the block. So this one is like chefs and some spoons and things for cooking. I love the jar one especially, and I really like this. It says bake the world a better place. Even though I do no baking at all, I'm terrible at it because I'm not good at measuring things. I actually hate measuring things. I hate recipes. I hate having to measure anything. When I cook, everything is like, you know, if I like, what I do measure is like when I'm making rice, and I have it down already from so many years of making. So like I have things down to where they won't be salty, hopefully, because but if anything, my food is usually under salted because I don't like salty. Like if it's too salty, it ruins the food, and you can just add salt later, I feel like. But the only thing I do measure is when I make rice, and I have it down, like, but I don't use measuring cups. I have them, I rarely use them unless I have to. So I don't do baking. I just don't. And next we have these stickers, which I have to cut off the video, and it might be cut weird because there's noise going on. I don't know, there's construction. First it was a car, and I didn't know there was gonna be construction, so I don't know, I might have to be cutting this weird. But these stickers are sort of transparent, but they're not vellum stickers, but they're not, I don't know, they are, I really like these when they have these actually. And then we have these rub-ons, which I'm really excited about because I've been really into rub-ons, and it's hard to find nice ones, for me at least, because on Etsy they're kind of expensive, the ones that they have. And so these are like obviously the same theme, the cooking or baking, but they have florals too, which I love. And I love these, I love the lady, and I really love windmills. I like windmills. I have a lot of like, and I collect little windmill things, so I love that one. Now you're hearing my son laughing, so that's always gonna be one of the things you'll hear. So I'm really excited about these. They have the little thingy. Can't wait to use those. We also have some sticker flakies, and they seem to be on theme with the baking and the whatnots. There's a lot in here. These stickers are always good because they bring multiples, like doubles of ones, so you can share them with friends. See? And these are baking and breads and things. So cute. I love the breads. My mom's really into making bread. Did I mention that already? Oh god. And there's an ephemera pack. I love these little ephemera packs like this, because they bring papers and stickers, and I don't know, I think they're so cute. And this one is really cute. It seems, I love this flower. So there's vellum stickers. These vellum stickers, there seem to be doubles of things. This one says sweet scented. And then there's little like labels and things. Oh, I love these. I love labels. I really love labels. These look like labels for bottles. These are like tickets. Oh, I love these. And I love these because I love round things. I don't know, I love, like, for my journals and stuff, I love this shape. And this one is so cute too. Oh, I love these. I like them all, so that's good. So that's the little ephemera pack. Then there's this little booklet. I love these little booklets also. I don't know why, but this one says time machine, and it's come a little unglued, probably because of the heat here. It already feels like summer here. It already feels hot. Oh, the first page came off. So these are like vintage, like labeled. They look like different sort of, because these look like magazine covers, right? Or like ads. But they also have these, which I love that style. I really like these. How beautiful is that one? The colors. Yes. And I think these are stickers. Sometimes these little booklets are papers, but I think these are stickers. Let's see the one that's already out. Am I ripping another one out? I'm ripping them out. Oh, okay. Oh, let's use that one first. but see, there's like ads, but also it seems like magazine covers. I hope I'm on frame here. So these are really cute. I really like them, and I think they're stickers. Let me try to check. Yeah, they're actually vellum stickers. Okay, I had it. I'm off today. I have it. My throat hurts. See, they're like vellum stickers. When the weather changes, I get weird sinus and allergy things. I think I mentioned that before, I don't know, but and I think this is the last thing. Yeah. And this is also like an ephemera. I've seen this before. I think I got one of these that came with another box of theirs, but different. Like it was like floral. But I just like when things are assortment. I think that's the word. It's like stickers and papers, and so this is also like an ephemera thing. And this one has stickers and papers. So like let's see the papers. There's these vellum ones. I think this one's a mojito. It looks like a mojito to me. And these are on theme with the baking and cooking. I like the girls. Cute. This is cute also. Oh, and I really like this one too. Okay. So these are some cute papers. This reminds me of my mom also. She eats ice cream with soda. She likes that, and I don't like it. I think it's so weird. I don't remember what it's called. What that's called, but that's the thing people do, I guess. A Coca-Cola one, which I love Coca-Cola. And there's two of this one with the pancakes. And these are like candies or chocolates. I love these. So cool. I've been wanting to do like a kitchen journal sort of. Just because of the fabrics of the colors, the checkered thing, this pattern. And so I might do that now that I have all this stuff. And then there's these stickers. There's square ones and not square ones. This is cute. Desserts and stuff. Oh, love that. That one's going in my journal. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, so this is my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have stayed this long with me, I really appreciate it always. And I'm gonna leave a link to Your Creative Studio, to their website, so you can check out their subscription boxes. I think their prices are really good for the amount of things that you have and the quality that you have. Also because, you know, you get these things that are their designs that you're not gonna find anywhere else. So I do think their price for their subscription box is really good. And so I'm gonna have a link to their website so you can check them out and try them out. I think you can get like one box, and I don't think you have to get a whole subscription. I'm not sure, but if you can still do that, just, you know, try it out with one box and see how you like it. But as you can see, it's really great. I love them. So that's gonna be it for me today. And I might use this in my journal, and I might film it. I'm not sure. It depends on how I feel today, but I'm really excited to use them. So that might happen. It might just go to music though. So yeah, if you stayed this long, thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.